Ginny Trask here for Lighting Warehouse. This video is a brief introduction into the various types of outdoor lighting fixtures and their uses. Let's light your way. All right, first up, uplights. So you might be able to guess it. Uplights are lights that point up. They come in the form of spotlights or floodlights, and the main distinction being the width of the beam. We get more into beam angles in another video. So these lights are sometimes referred to as bullet lights and wall washes. Most are above ground and will usually have a stake and an adjustable knuckle to aim the light. These fixtures are mainly used to illuminate a structure, a tree, a garden feature, or a statuary. Also in the uplight category are in-grade or well lights. These lights are installed directly into the ground. In-grade lights can be used to light up trees, pathways, or structures. Because they're mounted flush with their surroundings, they help reduce tripping hazards. All right, downlights. Downlights point down. They're mounted on walls or other structures, or in trees. They can be used to highlight a path or a walkway, light a gathering space, provide a task light for something like a backyard putting green, or to create a dramatic effect. Downlights can be used to simulate moonlight. This is done by shining a soft blue light from high in the tree down through the foliage, which makes a beautiful stippling effect on the ground. Path lights are the most common type of landscape lighting. They dot the landscape while providing enough illumination to highlight walking paths. Path lights provide both safety and beauty. These are especially useful for helping people to safely navigate steps, turns, and grade changes. Wall-mounted downlights and sconces can provide illumination while also serving as a point of interest. Underwater fixtures. Underwater fixtures highlight underwater scenery in ponds, water fountains, or can even illuminate surrounding hardscape, statuary, or landscaping from underneath the water. All right, so here is a little rendering that can give you some idea of how you may want to use those lights and how they can work together to create a dramatic difference for your landscape at night. Right now, the only lighting is the sad little light at the front door. So let's spruce this all up. We'll begin with the most common lighting upgrade, and that would be path lights, adding a little safety to our walkway while being a beautiful addition to our landscape. Let there be uplights. Here we've added a few uplights on the house, creating a light pillar effect, lighting on the tree trunk and on the pampas grass plantings. And now for some downlights. We're using downlights to create a moonlight effect, a soft blue shining down from the treetops, and some downlighting on the porch to make that space more usable for gatherings at night. Wall lights. So we've added a sconce near the door to add interest, a little light by the stairs to enhance safety, and some lights underneath the cap of our water feature. Since we're already working on that water feature, let's add some underwater lights. Wow, that's so much more dramatic. Sprinkle in some pendant lights near the front walkway. We could just put down lights, but the fixture itself can be a beautiful feature. Here's some in-grade lights as a ground wash for the driveway. I hope this helps you understand a little bit more about how to use lighting to enhance your landscape. Lighting Warehouse has the fixtures, lamps, and other accessories to make your landscape lighting dreams come true. Buy it all today on lightingwarehouse.com.